I'm meteorologist Topper Schutt. We are tracking the tropics now in the eastern Pacific. That's right. We are looking at Hurricane Hilary, and as of Friday afternoon, Category 4. Winds are 145, gusts to 175. Now, it's going to move northward along the Baja, and we have hurricane warnings out. We have hurricane watches out. We have tropical storm watches out for L.A. First time in L.A.'s history they've had a tropical storm watch. Now, by the time we get to, say, early Monday morning, so late Sunday night, just after midnight, East Coast time, storm is still south of Los Angeles, kind of hugging the Baja there as a Cat 1. Good news is it moves east of L.A. Now, what that means is it's going to take the heaviest rain east of L.A. and the highest winds east of L.A. Still going to see some impact across all of Southern California, though, and flash flood watches are posted Southern California, Arizona, and also into Nevada. By Monday at 5 o'clock in the morning, winds are 50 miles an hour, and it is now north of Los Angeles. But I really feel the flooding is going to be a bigger threat to the southwest than the winds. So this is FUTURECAST. It's a European model. 6 o'clock on Saturday, already some feeder bands coming into Southern California. And then by 6 a.m. on Sunday, some pretty good rains, L.A. eastward, especially east of L.A., up in parts of the canyons. And then by 5:30 on Sunday, rain now across the board, does now hit San Diego and Los Angeles. But L.A. is not the bullseye. I'll show you the bullseye in terms of rainfall. But still, anything over an inch is very significant in Southern California because in this part of the country, the ground just doesn't allow it to just percolate through. It just runs off. So we're going to see a lot of flash flooding here. This is 5:30 Monday morning. Pretty big bands between Los Angeles and Las Vegas. And then it begins to lift out during the day on Monday through Las Vegas and then into central Nevada. So central Nevada and Las Vegas, your heavy rain will be on Monday. I think LA's will be Sunday night into early Monday morning. Now, how much rainfall? By 6 a.m. Sunday, very little, okay? But look what happens. By 6 p.m. on Sunday, almost an inch in L.A., and now we're looking at almost an inch, well, a little over 1 3/4 in a place called Ridgecrest, and look what happens, man. Boom. 2.5 inches in L.A., 2.5 inches in Oceanside, 5 inches in Ridgecrest. That would cause massive flooding just because it cannot percolate into the ground. And after that, it's 6 p.m. on Monday. Essentially, we end up with these totals. A little over 2.5 in L.A., over 5 in Ridgecrest. And then in central Nevada, almost 5 inches of rain. That's kind of crazy. Now, the winds I'm not as concerned about. This would be a wind field. And this is now Sunday at 5:30 in the afternoon. Winds could be, up tropical storm force winds here, essentially. And we'll kind of put that into motion. San Diego, yeah, you're going to have tropical storm force winds, no doubt. I don't think L.A. will maybe quite make it. Remember, tropical storm force winds are 39 miles per hour or higher. You're going to maybe get a gust to tropical storm, but I think the wind field is going to kind of play itself out quickly. And here's the reason why. Ocean temperatures right here, we just queried them, are like 67, 68 degrees. That's going to kill the hurricane. Between that and having some of the circulation over the land, it will weaken rapidly. That is a very good thing. That's Monday morning at 3 a.m. and then boom, by Monday at 7:30, all the high winds move northward toward Nevada. But again, just east of L.A., maybe still gusting to 36 in San Diego. So right now we would say Sunday night, Sunday and then early Monday, the worst case scenario for the L.A. area and San Diego area. 1 to 3 inches of rain there, and then inland, though, 4 to 5 inches of rain as the storm begins to weaken quickly, but also move north very quickly and then kind of weaken and die out Tuesday of next week.